Welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today, I'm going to be ripping my air conditioning out, the condenser, and all the pipes for it. Nothing too special in this video. Thought I'd just make a video because I felt like it. New home, had a new home, just moved. Yeah, just new shed feels, you know, got to wear it in. So this would be the first thing I'll be doing in this shed, is taking this out, and plenty more videos to come. So I can't wait, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this little mini video, whatever, I don't know. I keep looking in the top right hand corner for the lens because I've got the phone flipped upside down. It's actually over there, but yeah, we'll get on stuck into this, and yeah, let's do it. So for the people that don't actually know much about cars, if you're following and you follow me because you like what I do, I don't know. So currently we're going to be ripping out the condenser, follow the piping. We're going to undo this bolt down here, and pretty much just that bolt on the firewall, and yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. So we'll just rip off the bar and we'll get stuck into it, guys. It's actually quite good to own my own place and actually, you know, to be able to relax and do my own thing. Got all the space that I need, which is great. Just need some power tools, really. Fucking overused screwdrivers. Good thing about this bar, it's only holding on by 3 bolts. Yeah, it's just the So I'm going to just try and move my radiator without actually undoing. Oh, that's got a bit of pressure in it. I had it running earlier. So I'm going to actually remove my radiator without undoing these clamps, because it can't be fucked draining the radiator out and then refilling it just to take this fucking thing out. So we'll try and work around it. If not, I will fucking drain it. But yeah. So took the power steering off. I just can't get the fans off. It's fucking jammed down there. So I'm gonna just have to rip it all out and just put new coolant in it. Fuck me. Didn't really want to be doing that, but yeah. That's how we do it, boys. Just like that. And wiggle the fucker off. And don't let it do that. Fuck. We didn't want it to be like that, but it is what it is. Oh, I got most of it in there. Alright, now by rights, that should just lift up these fans and get back to you. So currently got it all ripped out. So much more space in there. I'll be chucking that transcooler up there. I'll be putting it right here. But yeah. What you doing, Nala? You cheeky girl. We put a 40 on the other day. A little bit to do on this fucking rig, a little bit to do. I literally want to tub it, fuel cell in the back. Yeah, a lot more to do on this thing. But cheers for watching, guys. That's all I wanted to do, is rip that thing out. And yeah, welcome back to the videos. Stay tuned for some more.